let's see if I can solve this in 30 minutes started. So I have read a bit on this question and I have come up with a first solution, as you can see here, but I didn't manage to get accepted. I just get a TLE. Right now I'm trying to solve it live. So actually I did it yesterday and I have some notion after that. So maybe I can explain my approach. Resolution. I'm not sure if that will work or not. So the way to do is to do a recursive for. So DFS I integer will return I return and done. So now that I just need the base case, if I equals 1, that it means that it is A, because that's like the only that's like the first character, so it has to be A. Let's actually try to write here. Just return stir. If I equals 1, I return A. And power of 2 is basically without the largest power of 2 that is less than 9. And it should return, maybe I should give it a better name, largest power of 2. So why I did this is because, for example, I have something like I want to know 35. So what I can do is that I know 35 will be the copy of the one that is, like, for example, 35 will be this one, because 32 is I don't know, 2 to the power of 4 or 5, something like that. So that's why that is the next recursion that I need to find. So that's the reason I need this largest power of 2. This will return the power instead of the actual number. So y answer equals 0 while 1 is less than 9, then probably we need, so it is going to return number of power such that 2 to the power of this answer is less than x. So it's 1. And after doing that, the 2 to the power of answer will be greater or equal to x, but we don't want that. We want the one that is strictly smaller. What if it is like 4? I don't know, what is 4? So 4 will 4 minus, okay, if it is 0, this should go to 0. This should go to the very first one. This will go, so this one, if I carry this one, it should minus 2. It should minus 2. So assuming that I'm doing one index, then 4 minus 2 will 4 minus 2? Yeah, 4 minus 2 will be 2, which is this one. And this one is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. That's why it's reaching the base. So in this case, I will return, like, because this is 3, the closest power of 2 that is less than x is 2. So that's why it is, so that's why I have to minus it, or I have to minus 2. Is that what it is? Okay, 2 to the power of answer is less than 8. That is true. Then I keep doing plus equals 1 up to the point that this while loop exits. It means that 2 to the power of answer is greater or equal to x, which I don't want. That's why I have to backtrack. That's why I have to return answer minus 1. And now that I have the largest power of 2, I just need to know the LP, which is the largest power of 2. And here, 2x, and I get that LP. So here. So I'm going to assume that I need to do something on these operations. It's like previous result equals to DFS x minus L. So basically, because of the operations, here, well, this one has to be 0, and this one has to be 0 too, actually. Let's say k equals 3 here, so this one has to be 0 too, and x minus LP is actually the previous x minus L3. So x now is 3, and then the largest power of 2 that is less than 3 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So I'm rushing here. So I don't need to do anything because this one here, if it is 1, then it's gonna be, so it has to be here. If it is 1, then it means that I'm the previous, that I'm going for next. If operations LP equals 1, and then 3 equals to next of 3, and just return 3. This is next ch string, return string as well, because in Python there's no character. So if ch equals that, then it just wrap around a. Otherwise, you just return. Well, first we need to get the numeric value of ch, and then and then after we have that, then we turn it back to character. So in base case, it will just be return dfsk. So let's try to run our solution. Let's try to run this actually. Goes 5. So first we're gonna run df5. So dfs5. Actually this will always back to a. So this is not fun. Let's do this next test case. We will return b. So let's dfs10. Let's do dfs10, and then it is not the base case, and I'm going for the largest power of 2. The largest power of 2 that is less than 10 is 2 or 8. Should be 8. So 10 minus 8. Okay. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So it means that the second character matter. And then hold on. 0. Okay, hold on. So this one is 2. This one is 4. This one is 8. Okay. So it comes down to the second one, and the second one 2. So we go to DFS2, and then DFS2, DFS2 is actually, interesting. Wait, that should return, oh, that should give me A, isn't it? I think that something's wrong. 10, well, no, it's not 8. What am I thinking? It should be, hold on, 1, 2, 4, hold on, it is 1, 2, 4, 8. Well, it is 8. So it should 2, should be 2. So it means that, basically what I'm trying to say is that, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on. Oh, sorry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, okay, version is, I'm not sure if I can do it good. So this one is 0. This one 0 means that it's 10. So it's B. So we know that this actually come from, well, how does this generator actually come from 8, isn't it? Because this is 1, 3, 4, and this one is 1. This one's here. It's still not reaching that. Yeah, so it's actually, so it's actually there. So this one is the first one, and this one, this one is the first one, so it's 0. So this one is the second one. Hold on. This one is the first one, which is 0. This one is the second one, which is 1. This one is the third one. Okay, so it is 1, right? Yeah, so it is 1. Like 2 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Yeah, so it should be, this one is here. So this one will get there, and then we write the, okay, this will be DFS1. So this should do a next for that. So this should return A, and this A will pass to here, and this one will become B. I guess that's how it is. So it should return 4, right? I think so. Let's try to run this. You mean 9? I didn't mean to do actually. Maximum recursion depth C or large. Wait, that doesn't make much sense though. I think at some point it reaches 0, but will it actually reach 0? Oh, it's not minus LP. It's minus 1, not 1 to the power of LP. It's 2 to the power. Actually, run that. Yeah, seems like it's going good. Well, we still have 10 minutes. Let's try to have some more test case. Let's assume there's only 1K, not by 1. I mean, there's only 1 character, and then so it has to be A, right? It has to be A. So how about that? I need to know the second character. So it has to be B. Let's try to submit that. Oh, exactly. I feel like this is kind of an interesting problem. What am I doing? What did I do? So I guess the time complexity is hold on. Maybe before my own time complexity, let's try to use this. Should be something along with log n or something. Log k, correct? Where's k? Oh yeah, it should be log k. It's correct. And mainly because I do this DFS and this largest power of 2 thing. So each time we will just try to remove the largest power of 2. So yeah, it goes down vertically. So is about log n, log k actually. For the space complexity, I think that the space most come from the so that's why the time and space complexity are also log n. Okay, that's pretty much.